Let me stir it. Hi, back in my channel.
Emma, what you doing today?
Slime.
We're making fluffy slime.
Yeah, come.
I'm coming. Hi guys, welcome back to
Emma TV.
If you're new all to Emma TV, please subscribe, like,
Share.
comment, share.
Share.
So today Emma and I will be making fluffy slime. We did slime before, so you could go back and watch our first slime video.
Yeah.
Ready, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we need. 3 to 4 cups of shaving cream, food coloring, half a cup of glue, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of saline solution. You ready, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
And this one.
So we're gonna put the shaving cream in here first. You need 3 cups.
Yeah, this is shaving cream. Yeah, what's this? Whoa! Whoa, look
This
at
looks
that!
like a lot. Oh, this smells so good. So this is the shaving cream we're using for sensitive skin.
I think
Oh, this smells good. Let's put some more.
It tastes like whipped cream.
Yeah,
But it's not whipped cream.
yeah, it do look like whipped cream, but you can't eat this. It's a shaving cream, okay?
Yeah, it's not whipped cream.
Okay, so we had in the food coloring.
Whoa.
It say yellow, but it look orange. I think that's it, right? One more. Okay, so now I'm adding a half a cup of glue.
What I do it?
You want to do it? Go ahead. Wait, let me move this up closer. Go. Okay, you gotta put one more. Wait. Okay. I'm out. What are you doing to my hand? Wait. Because I don't want your hand. Okay, so mix it together.
Whoa! I missed it, Mommy.
Oh my god, this slime is gonna smell awesome. Alright. So now I'm going to add
Take it out first.
baking soda. So I'm putting in a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Emma.
Okay. Good.
So you need 1 tablespoon of the solution. Saline solution. Emma. Okay.
I think some of the items.
Let me close it.
Mommy, please don't do me the other time.
Let me.
Let me stir it.
Okay guys, so after you're done mixing it with the spoon, this is when you go in and get dirty. Yeah. Alright, you want some, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay, you do that little piece. Just that little piece. And do it.
Oh, that comes to my
You have to mold it to the how you like it.
I think it's sticky. Guys, are you happy as my slime?
This is your second time. You didn't make fluffy slime before.
Yeah.
So guys, that's how you make fluffy fluffy slime.
Oh,
It smells so good.
Not get in my hand.
No, it's not. But if you get it on your hand, it comes off. You could just clean it off with this. Hey!
Well, just sticky like that. Okay, I make slime. Cause I died to make slime. Cause I tell my parents to make slime. Cause I did that.
She's been bothering us to make slime.
Yeah.
We made slime before, and then now she's like, I want to make more slime.
Yeah, I want to sticky. Oh, look at this, Mommy. Just made this. Oh, sticky.
Ooh, this slime is heavy. Look, guys, it just threw up. So that's how you make. I'm a hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot
potato. This hot potato.
Give me. Catch. Hot potato. Hot potato. This slime smells so good. So good, guys. Guys, I think I like this slime better.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Emma! Wow! I got you. Oh my God! Look what Emma did to herself. Come here. Let me do it. Oh my God.
Hot potato. Bye-bye. Hope you like the video. Get a big thumbs up. Or subscribe and comment below how to do the slime video.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow Emma on
Twitter, Instagram, and Google. Bye.
Bye. Catch you in the next video. Bye.